Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of contempt of court and its types. So let us know about what is contempt of court. Judiciary is generally considered one of the three important pillars of democracy, and to preserve the judiciary it is essential to protect the rights to the judges, and any act which attacks the integrity and honor of the court shall be punished. It is considered that judiciary can achieve its purpose of providing justice only if its orders are being executed properly, or else there is no sign of having a potent judiciary in the nation, and hence there is no right of freedom of speech and expression if this right violates the integrity of the court. The law of contempt of courts primarily purpose is maintaining public reliance on the way of working of the court of law, and the law of contempt of court is not concerned about the criticism of the judge as an individual, but it is concerned with criticism of the court. Now what are the types? There are mainly two types. First is civil contempt and second is criminal contempt. In civil contempt there are four things. First is disobedience of the directors or order of the court, in which it talks about the person who is accused of contempt of court has disobeyed the directions of the court, and such action of disobedience has been caused willfully. The second one is the respondent must be competent to comply with directions of the court. Talks about the accused must be competent person to comply with orders of the court, and he or she should not be a third person who has nothing to do with directors of the court. Third one talk about knowledge of the order of the court. The accused must know the order which is passed by the competent court, and if he or she after completing knowledge of the order fails to comply with directions of the court, then they are guilty to the offense of the contempt of court. Fourth one, there must be some directions or order of the court. The disobedience of the directions of the court can only be caused if the court has explicitly passed the order and the contemner disobeys the direction of the court. Now, what are the criminal contempts of court? First one is publication of any particular matter. The matter such as words, prints and publications which interpretes with due process of law and respect of dignity of the court is violated by such publications, then such particular acts fall in the scope of contempt of court. Second, scandalizing or lowering the power or authorizing of the court. The publication must violate the integrity and dignity of the court, and the act must be defamatory, and it must question of contempt of judges. Now the third one is interference with administration of justice. The publication must affect the administration of the court and its capacity to be a competent authority to deal with the matter, and such act must be indirectly or directly affect the proceedings of the court of law. Thank you so much. If any of the queries regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.